today we've come out here to diagnose fuel system issues with this case bulldozer. It's a high-hour machine, almost a 20-year-old machine. We found that the fuel system has contaminated fuel from a failing pump. We try to make sure that the customers understand what it takes to repair these machines and what maintenance means. Maintenance means taking care of the machine before the repair. So there are different types of fuel out there. We urge most of our customers to use on-road fuel versus off-road. The on-road fuel has treatments in there to preserve the fuel components in these dozers. The off-road fuel is a little cheaper, but overall the cost of the machine, the cost of the repairs, far outweighs what it costs to repair them.